Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful beanie hat. It looks a little bit different, isn't it? Because I use herringbone half double crochets. It looks better than regular half double crochet. I think that's my opinion. Of course, I like to hear your opinion too. And for this one, I use this yarn, House Neulelanka. Neulelanka. It's impossible for me. It's a merino wool. And with this one, I used 4.5 millimeter hook. That's a category 3 yarn. You can use any category 3 yarn or 4 yarn. It's so easy to adjust. And hope you like this one too. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can find the link below. It's totally free. And if you are ready, we can start now. Start with a slip knot. Then make 46 chains. This we will work vertically. So if you want to make it longer, you can make more chains. If you want to make it wider, you can make more rows. Chain 46. Now turn your chains. We are gonna work into these back bumps. Yarn over. We will make a regular half double crochet for the first stitch. Skip this one, insert into the next, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through all. Now you see that's the first leg of our half double crochet and that's the second. Now without yarning over, insert from this left leg, insert into the next chain, grab the yarn, pull through. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all. Again, that's the left leg. Insert from here, insert from the chain, grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3. Try to make them a little bit loose. You see? This one, we are gonna use the last strand. Insert under it. Keep repeating this till you have last 5 stitches. I made all of them. I have 5 more chains and we are gonna make slip stitch for here. This will be the top part of the beanie. Insert, grab the yarn, pull through. Three, 4, 5. Chain 1, turn. We will start with 5 slip stitches again, but we will use the back loops. Starting from here, we will always use the back loops. You see, that's the back loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For this next stitch, for the starting, we will make a half double crochet. We will always start with half double crochet for here and here. Make it into the back loop. Then insert into this left leg, into the back loop, grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through all. Just repeat this till the end. I'm making the last 2. Chain 1, turn. Now make a back loop only half double crochet, then make half double herringbone stitch. Till the last 5 stitches. I make the last one, and now I will make 5 slip stitches, back loop only, of course. Chain 1, turn, make 5 back loop only slip stitch, a half double crochet, and make half double herringbones all into the back loops. Just keep repeating this. I made totally 50 rows. It's so elastic. Now I'm gonna give you the measurements. 23 centimeters, 42, 46 centimeters. Now we will join 2 parts together. You see, that's where I started, that's where I complete. Put them together. Now insert from this first stitch, grab the loop, pull it, make a chain. Insert from the same stitch, and from here we will only use the back loop. Insert from the back loop. Okay. Use both loops, back loop, make a slip stitch. Both loops, back loop, repeat this till the end. I complete the joining, then make a chain, leave a tail, oops, I don't know why I just toss this needle. Now we are gonna close the top part, insert from one stitch, go out from the other one, use the top stitch, Biraz sıkıyoruz. Close here. And you can make a knot, hide the tail. That's where we join, you see? You cannot see. And okay, that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Ravelry, Etsy, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.